If you are wondering what to do with your extra mandarins, here's a delightful recipe for you to try. Today we are going to make a delicious mandarin jam with just 2 ingredients. Our very first step of this recipe is to peel mandarins and remove seeds if there's any. Then we need to blend all these mandarins into a smooth consistency. After that, transfer the puree into a cooking pan and add sugar into it. Now we need to boil the mixture under medium heat, stirring frequently until the jam thickens. While jam is cooking, we can sterilize our bottles. For that, boil water in a separate pan and put a kitchen towel to the bottom of the pan. Place cleaned bottles and lids in the pan and boil about 10 minutes. Once you are done with sterilizing bottles, place them upside down on a kitchen towel to get rid of excess water. When the jam thickens, we need to check whether it has reached desired consistency. We can check the consistency by placing a drop of jam on a cold plate. When you run your finger through it, if it leaves a clean trail on the dish, our jam is ready. Then we can remove it from the heat and let it cool for about 5 minutes. After that, carefully put the hot jam into your sterilized jars, leaving a small gap at the top. Then wipe the rims clean, place the lids on and tighten. Keep the bottles upside down about 5 minutes. Now we can turn the bottles to the correct side, cover them with a kitchen towel and store them in a dark place for about 24 hours. Next day, we can enjoy our delicious homemade mandarin jam. Once opened, make sure to keep it refrigerated. Hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to watch more amazing recipes.